Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. First question, what is the longest railway platform in India? A. Gorakhpur, B. Kharagpur, C. Allahabad, D. Kanpur. The correct answer is option A. Gorakhpur. Next question, when was the Indian Railway established? A. 1850, B. 1853, C. 1860, D. 1870. The correct answer is option B. 1853. Next question. What is the headquarter of the Northern Railway? A. Kolkata, B. Mumbai, C. New Delhi, D. Chennai. The correct answer is option C. New Delhi. Next question. Which is the fastest train in India? A. Rajdhani Express, B. Vande Bharat Express, C. Shatabdi Express, D. Duranoth Express. The correct answer is option B. Vande Bharat Express. Next question. Who is known as the father of Indian Railways? A. Lord Dalhousie, B. Warren Hastings, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is option A. Lord Dalhousie. Next question. Which zone is the largest in India Railways? A. Central Railway, B. Western Railway, C. Northern Railway, D. Eastern Railway. The correct answer is option C. Northern Railway. Next question. Which city is served by the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus? A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Chennai, D. Kolkata. The correct answer is option A. Mumbai. Next question. Which state has the largest railway network in India? A. Maharashtra, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Rajasthan, D. Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is option B. Uttar Pradesh. Next question. What is the mascot of Indian Railway? A. Golu the elephant, B. Golu the bear, C. Babu the tiger, D. Tinku the rabbit. The correct answer is option A. Golu the elephant. Next question. Which is the first railway station in India? A. Mumbai GST, B. Boribandar, C. Howrah Junction, D. Chennai Central. The correct answer is option B. Boribandar. Next question. What is the full form of IRCTC? A. India Railway Central Ticket Corporation, B. Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation, C. Indian Railways Cargo Transportation Company, D. Indian Railways Communication and. The correct answer is option B. Indian Railway Catering Tourism Corporation. Next question. Which is the highest railway station in India? A. Darjeeling, B. Dham, C. Khalka, D. Shimla. The correct answer is option B. Dham. Next question. Which is the first metro rail service in India? A. Mumbai Metro, B. Delhi Metro, C. Kolkata Metro, D. Bangalore Metro. The correct answer is option C. Kolkata Metro. Next question. Which state in India does not have a railway network? A. Sikkim, B. Meghalaya, C. Tripura, D. Nagaland. The correct answer is option A. Sikkim. Next question. Which zone has the shortest route length? A. Metro Railway, B. Northeast Frontier Railway, C. Konkan Railway, D. Northern Railway. The correct answer is option A. Metro Railway. Next question. Which Indian luxury train is also known as Indian's Palace on Wheels? A. Maharaja's Express, B. Golden Charity. C. Palace on Wheels. D. Deccan Odyssey. The correct answer is option C. Palace on Wheels. Next question. Which Indian train has the longest route? A. Vivek Express. B. Himasagar Express. C. Ganga Kaveri Express. D. Tara Express. The correct answer is option A. Vivek Express. Next question. Which state has the highest number of railway stations? A. Maharashtra. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Bihar. D. West Bengal. The correct answer is option B. Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which is the first Indian train to operate entirely on solar power? A. Vande Bharat Express. B. DEMU train. C. Ghatiman Express. D. Rajdhani Express. The correct answer is option B. DEMU train. Last question. Which train runs between India and Pakistan? A. Maitri Express. B. Sankota Express. C. Thara Express. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is option D. Both B and C. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.